Hey everyone, if Brave browser is using too much CPU, slowing down your computer, or making everything laggy, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to reduce Brave's CPU usage and make it run smoothly again. First, close any unused tabs. Having too many tabs open can significantly increase CPU usage. Next, close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, this clears temporary processes that may be consuming extra CPU. Some extensions can cause high CPU usage. I mean especially ad blockers or video tools, so try disabling them one by one. Another important fix is disabling hardware acceleration. Sometimes GPU issues force CPU to work harder. Make sure Brave is updated. Yeah, outdated versions can have performance bugs that increase CPU usage. If CPU usage is still high, malware or hidden processes might be the cause. So run a security scan to be safe. Brave can keep running background apps even after closing it. I mean, turning this off can reduce CPU load. Corrupted cache can also cause performance issues. Yeah, clearing browsing data can help reduce CPU spikes. If nothing works, reset Brave settings to default. So this removes misconfigurations that may be causing high CPU usage. And finally, uninstall and reinstall Brave. I mean, this gives you a clean installation and fixes deep performance issues. And that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser high CPU usage and make your browsing smooth again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.